Hi, this is Eric Sloov at the VMworld 2018. We're at the Hands-On Labs and I'm joined by Scotty Ray. Scotty, you're the tour guide for today.
I am. How are you doing today?
I'm fine, thanks.
Great.
How are you?
Great.
So you are going to take this bunch of people into the Hands-On Labs and you're going to tell them all the secrets about the infrastructure that it runs on, the new techniques, people can bring their own devices.
Yep.
All the highlights.
All the highlights. So the whole purpose of the tour is that a lot of people come and they take the labs and everybody's like, how does this get delivered? How does it get put together? Who's involved with it? And so the tour is going to take everybody from soup to nuts, from the birth of a lab to its running here. So it's going to be great. We have over 85 different labs in this year's catalog, and we actually ran into a problem. The wall wasn't big enough. So we actually couldn't put all of the lab details on the wall and fit it on the wall. So this year we actually created this sort of content wall.
So the virtual wall will show people on an iPad the additional information when they look at a certain subject.
And what you'll get is you'll get the details that actually pop up on the lab. So if you want to see more about what's going on, inside the lab, you can also, there are a couple little Easter eggs that are over here on the side. So if you want to focus in this area over here, and what you'll actually get is a little video of what we're doing from a sustainability perspective at VMware. That's been a huge priority of our company now. We actually just went carbon neutral in our Palo Alto campus 2 years ahead of our schedule, right, for it. So really a big focus. So if customers come in, if you want to come in and take a lab and you're not entirely sure, what topic areas we provide, they're all kind of divided out. You can grab an iPad, you can get, sort of details on what you want to do. And this was really the only way we could fit on it. I mean, the labs have just grown in popularity out there. So this is our content wall.
So Scotty, we're in the center of the Hands-On Labs and we're at the help desk. What do these people do?
This right here is the heart of the live operation that happens here. As you can imagine, we have 400 seats of capacity between expert-led and our traditional labs in the Connect area. Problems arise, passwords, get out of sync. Maybe a manual has a typo or something's not operating in a specific way. This team right here is incredible. What they do is they're sort of the first line of defense, handling all support requests from stuff. And in fact, when a customer is sitting at a lab, they can raise their hand, and they've actually built an app on the phone. And so everyone that's associated to that lab actually gets a notification on their phone, what station it is, who's taken the lab, etc. So this is really the core of the team from the standpoint of keeping the operations running on the floor.
So even if they have a technical question, there is an engineer that is able to answer those technical questions also.
That's correct. In the application, the VMware Learning Platform application, under the help menu, they can raise a hand. That hand raise will actually notify the group that built the lab. So when somebody comes over, the person that's coming over has got familiarity with the technology, familiarity with the solution, and they can handle that.
So Scotty, we are at the Hands-On Commands Center. Do I see vRealize operations out there?
Oh yeah. Everything that's run in the lab running on VMware is managed by the same products that we have at VMware. So vRealize operations, Wavefront, the new cloud cred that's there, looking at how we manage the capacity across all 5 of the clouds that we have here, both private clouds as well as public clouds, VMC on AWS, IBM-based clouds. But a person sitting down at a lab should never be able to tell the difference, no matter which cloud it's being delivered from, to provide that consistent, automated, every time, right, they're going to get the top experience when they're taking a lab.
Okay, so this is also the place where we can see if records are broken. On that monitor we see the totals of kits that are deployed. Do you think we will break another record this year?
We every year we kind of come in and go, there's no way we're going to break last year's record, and every year we seem to break the record. I think we're going to do it. We're already at over 10,000 virtual machines have been provisioned, and we just opened this morning. So 730 terabytes of storage have been provisioned over this thing. And so I think we're on track to do really well.
Okay, let's see, Scott. Thanks very much.
Thanks, all right. Have a great day.
Thank you.